Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect a Cloudflare managed domain to your server. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. And this will help your website load securely and efficiently while keeping your server protected from direct attacks. So first log into your Cloudflare and then you will just have to select the domain that you want to connect. So you have to make sure that you already have your domain and again that you have the full plan so that you would be able to actually have a domain in the first place. And yeah, once you have your domains here, you will just have to click that again, and then next you will go to DNS and click add record and choose the record type, and it is usually A for a server IP or C name for another domain. And after that, you will just have to enter the host name, for example www, and then the IP address of your server. Then you will ensure the proxy status is set to be proxied for Cloudflare protection. And next, you will just have to click Save. Repeat for other necessary records like MX for email if needed. And finally, verify that your server responds correctly by opening the domain in a browser. You can also use ping or NSLookup to check DNS propagation. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.